Good morning students, welcome back to today's class. In today's class we will study about the filters and attenuators. So it is unit 3 where we will be knowing about the classification of filters, that is low pass filter, high pass filter as well as band pass filter and band elimination filter. And also we will study about the different types of filters in this particular unit. Now what is a filter? First of all, what is a filter? Filter is a reactive network that freely allows some band of frequency and stops some band of frequency. Means if you are desiring some frequency, then that frequency should be passed through the circuit or through the network, then that can be freely passed. And which frequency you are not desiring, to allow the frequency, that frequency band can be stopped by use of these filters. Okay. So filter is what? It is a reactive network which freely allows the different types of frequencies or different desired type of frequencies to allow through a network. Okay. What is filter? Filter is a reactive network. That freely passes the desired frequency, and very easily and almost suppressing, it suppresses all the frequencies, almost suppressing remaining frequencies which are not desired. All other frequencies. Okay. So all other frequencies are suppressed, whereas only desired frequencies, the desired frequencies can be freely passed to the network. Okay. Now, how it is constructed? A filter is purely constructed from reactive elements. A filter is purely constructed by using reactive elements. Okay. For otherwise, attenuation will never become zero, in pass band of filter network, in the pass band of filter network. That means that if you are using this reactive elements for the construction of the filter, you have here the reactive elements are used and only the frequencies that are desired are allowed and remaining are suppressed by attenuation. Attenuation means stopping. Attenuation means it is stop. Can call the band that is stopping is called stop band or attenuation band also. So we will be knowing about that particular in the coming topic. One more thing students, that is filters differ from the resonant circuits. Filter differ from the resonant circuits in such a way that they will allow only the frequencies that are desired and they will never attenuate in the desired band. In the desired band, suppose some frequencies are allowed in the desired bands like 50 to 70 hertz. If the desired frequency is there, you have to allow that particular band of frequency. Now these filters will allow only that band of frequency. I will not allow or will not stop the frequency in between that particular band. Okay. So filters are differ from resonant circuits. filters differ from resonant circuits in providing substantially constant transmission means that our transmission takes place only during that particular frequency. Transmission over the band which they accept, and this band will depend upon the design. This band limits will be depend on the design of the filter. Okay. Ideally speaking, that the filters will not allow attenuation in desired band, okay, in the desired band, and that is called as transmission band. Where the desired frequency is passed is called as transmission band, or one more name is also there, that is called as for pass band. We can call pass band or transmission band. These two types of band and transmission band or pass band means the band of frequencies, okay, where the desired frequency is allowed. The limit is called as transmission band or pass band, okay, and other bands are called as stop band, and all other remaining bands are called stop band or attenuation band. Okay. So students, here we have known about the filter. So filter here allows some band of frequency, okay, and blocks some frequency, okay. So depending upon the design of the filter, this is confirmed that which allows the which band of frequency and which doesn't allow the which band of frequency. Now here the transmission band or pass band is called as the limit where the frequency is allowed, and the band where the frequency is not allowed is called as attenuation band or stop band, okay. Now you will come to know about the frequency, the limit between or the gap between the transmission band and the attenuation band. What is that called as, okay. Now it is allowing of some frequency and not allowing of some frequency. The gap or the line where the transmission band and the attenuation band are separated is called as, we will see what it is called as, we will see now. The frequency, okay, I am telling you the frequency which separates transmission band and attenuation band. Transmission band and attenuation band are separated by a frequency. And what is that frequency called as? It is defined as a cutoff frequency. Cutoff cutoff frequency, okay, and it is designated by FC, f suffix small c, okay. So, where these filters are used? These filters are used in communication systems, mainly in the communication system the filters are used, as well as in instrumentation also we use the filters, and also there are many applications of the filters where we want to allow some frequency, and telemetering is also one of the uses. So, telemetering is one of the uses, communication systems, and instrumentation also, where we require to measure the frequencies also, okay, instrumentation, etc. So, these are the uses, or we call it as applications also, okay. So, students, one more point is here, a filter may have in principle have any number of pass bands, separated by attenuation bands. That is important point to note down, that the filters have any number of pass bands. A filter may in principle have any number of pass bands separated by attenuation bands, separated by attenuation bands. Okay. So, however they are classified depending upon the type of their allowing of the frequencies. However, they are classified as 4 types. How many types now? 4 types, and these 4 types are we are having low pass filter and high pass filter. These are the common types: high pass filter and band pass filter, and fourth one is band elimination filter. So, in this point we are studying that it can have any number of pass bands separated by the attenuation bands. Okay. Now, we will discuss about one by one, that is the low pass filter, band pass filter, and high pass and band elimination filter. Okay. So, we will talk about the low pass filter. So, what is a low pass filter? The name itself, it is the low pass filter. So, it is allowing some frequencies, okay, and it is blocking or it is stopping some of the frequencies. So, the frequencies before FC, that is cutoff frequency. The cutoff frequency is FC, and before FC whatever the frequencies are there, they are being allowed. Okay. Is one which passes without attenuation all frequencies, all frequencies up to cutoff frequency, up to the cutoff frequency, that is FC, that is small f suffix c. Okay. and attenuates all other frequencies, attenuates all other frequencies. This can be shown by drawing the characteristics also. This can be shown by drawing the characteristics for low pass filter, high pass filter, band pass filter and band elimination filter. Okay. So, an ideal LP, what is an ideal low pass filter? Ideal low pass filter is one which does not attenuate the desired band. The desired band is called as the ideal low pass filter. Okay. So, the ideal low pass filter always allows the frequency up to 0 to Fc. So, the ideal low pass filter always allows the frequencies from 0 to Fc and blocks the frequencies above Fc, which are above Fc are attenuated, as well as the frequencies from 0 to Fc are allowed. So, in the low pass filter, in ideal low pass filter, 0 to Fc frequencies are transmitted and above Fc frequencies are attenuated. This is the main point that has to be remembered. So, the 0 to Fc, all the frequencies are allowed and are transmitted, and above Fc frequencies are attenuated or stopped. Okay. And here the pass band, what is pass band or transmission band for LPF or transmission band for LPF, low pass filter, is 0 to Fc, and attenuation band or stop band is for low pass filter is above Fc values, above Fc values. Okay. So, the frequency range is decided here. Pass band or transmission band for LPF is 0 to Fc, and the attenuation band or stop band for low pass filter is above Fc frequencies. Okay. Now, we will draw the characteristics of it, of a low pass filter. Okay. So, seeing here, and here we will draw the frequency band. This is the pass band where the frequencies are allowed, it is 0, and here we draw Fc. This is the cutoff frequency, and up to Fc it is a pass band, and this is called as attenuation band. Here we can see that we are taking frequency, here we are taking the frequency, and this pass band is nothing but here the 0 to Fc, it is the frequency that is allowed, and Fc to remaining frequency, it is attenuation band for a low pass filter. This is a low pass filter characteristics. Okay. And like that we will having high pass filter also. So, what is a high pass filter characteristics? Above Fc it is allowed. So, we will draw one more characteristic here. This is you are having this particular thing, and above Fc, like this we will be drawing a band, attenuation band, attenuation band this is and above FC it is allowing, this is 0. Okay. So we can see here that f is 0 to FC for a high pass filter. This is a high pass filter characteristic, high pass filter characteristics. Okay. And this is for low pass filter. Here you can see that 0 to FC attenuation band, and this is called as the pass band. Above FC the frequencies are allowed for a high pass filter. Okay. It is opposite of the low pass filter, is called as high pass filter. Okay. Next is band elimination filter and band pass filter. What is that type of filters? So here band pass filter, this is the characteristics we are drawing about the band pass filter, where attenuation band is drawn and again pass band and again the attenuation band here, attenuation band. As you know what is attenuation band? Attenuation band is nothing but which doesn't allow some frequencies. Pass band means which allows some frequencies. Okay, here F1 is and F2 are the limits here. F1 and F2 are the limits. Okay, this is called as band pass filter. That means that the range of frequencies between F1 and F2 are allowed is called as a band pass filter. It is allowing a particular range of frequencies ranging from F1 to F2. This is called as band pass filter. And band elimination filter, it is opposite for this. Here we will be drawing this one. Okay, and this is called as attenuation band, and this is called as pass band here, pass band, and it is called as attenuation band. Okay, and this is also called as pass band. Now we will see some frequencies here, as we have seen here F1 and F2, the same thing we will see here F1 and F2. So these F1 and F2 are just I am naming here, so it can be any frequency. So it is a band, it is a band of frequency, range of frequency where the frequencies are not allowed. So here F1 to F2 are not allowed and remaining all are allowed on this side, left and right side frequencies. Here you are just allowing F1 and F2 here and not allowing the frequencies before F1 and after F2. And this is the band elimination filter, band pass filter and band elimination filter. Okay, here you can see that these are two types, band pass filter and band elimination filter. Here we are having F1 and F2, here it is having two cutoff frequencies, where in between F2 minus F1 the frequencies are allowed and remaining below F1 and above F2 the frequencies are attenuated or stopped. And here also band elimination filter means F1 and F2 are two frequencies where the attenuation occurs in this range and remaining all frequencies are allowed. So it is called as elimination filter, band elimination filter. Okay. Now we will write about the high pass filter and this band pass filter and band elimination filter. So we have seen the characteristics. So you can understand what is a high pass filter, what is a low pass filter, and what is band pass and what is band elimination filter easily. By seeing the diagram we can easily find out what is the band pass filter, and all these type of filters are easily understood now. High pass filter. In this type of filter, all the frequencies all the frequencies above cutoff frequency, above the cutoff frequency FC are allowed to pass, and from frequencies from 0 to FC are attenuated or stopped. Attenuated or stopped. So this is called as a high pass filter. Now what is the band pass filter? What is a band pass filter? Band pass filter allows only a certain band of frequencies, as shown in the figure, it has how many cutoff frequencies? 2 cutoff frequencies. It has 2 cutoff frequencies F1 and F2. Okay. So F2 minus F1 gives you the pass band. F2 minus F1 is the pass band for band pass filter, for the band pass filter. Okay. Now one more thing left out is band elimination filter. Here allowing, band pass means allowing the frequencies of certain range. Why? Because F1 will be up to F1, you have seen in the diagram there, up to F1 they are attenuated, and after F1 they are allowed, and up to the F2 they are allowed, and after F2 they are attenuated. In the similar way we will write the band pass filter. What is a band pass filter? So we will talk about the band elimination filter. Band elimination filter. As you have talked about the band pass filter, it is opposite of the band pass filter, band elimination filter. Okay. A band elimination filter always passes all frequencies lying outside certain range, and attenuates all frequencies between two designated frequencies, as we have shown in the figure. F1 and F2 are the designated frequencies where the attenuation occurs, and before F1 and after F2 it is passes, the frequency are passed. Okay. So here designated frequencies as shown in the figure, above, the previous one. Okay. Now it is also called as band stop filter. One more point is, it is also called as band stop filter because it is stopping some band of frequencies to pass. It is also called as a band stop filter. Okay. All the frequencies between F1 and F2 are attenuated. Okay, you can refer the figure for this particular band elimination filter. Okay. We can also draw the diagram for it here as shown to you. This F1 and F2 are two frequencies. This is attenuation band and remaining is called as pass band. These are the ranges are F1 and F2. Okay. So this was about the low pass filter, high pass filter, band pass filter and band elimination filter. And we are having some more topic, that is about what is this particular band and what is attenuation band and how it is measured. Okay, we will be discussing about those in the next class. So I would like to stop here, students. Thank you.